Welcome students in today's math class. In last class we have learned word problems on linear equation in one variable. In this class also we will do more practice on word problems in linear equation in one variable. Let's see the first question. Shibu's mother's present age is 6 times Shibu's present age. Shibu's mother's present age is 6 times Shibu's present age. Shibu's is 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So what are their present ages? We have to find the present age of Shibu's and present age of his mother. So first we will consider present age of Shibu. If present age of Shibu is x, then what will the present age of his mother? 6x, because it is 6 times. So let us consider, let Shibu's present age is equal to x and her mother's present age is equal to 6x. Now it is when Shibu's age 5 years from now. So after 5 years, Shibu's age will be x plus 5, because we considered his present age is x. So after 5 years his present age will be, after 5 years his present age will be x plus 5 years. So it is according to question, it is given that now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. If according to question x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. So what is the mother's present age? 6x. So 1/3 of 6x. Okay. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. Cancel. So we get x plus 5 is equal to 2x. Now we have to find the value of x. So transpose the x from left to right. So we get 5 is equal to 2x minus x. So student, x is equal to 5. It means Shibu's present age is equal to 5 years. Shibu's present age 5 years and mother's present age is equal to 6x. It means 6 and x replaced by 5. So we get 6 5 30 years. So Shibu's present age 5 years and his mother's present age will be 30 years. Second question is there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of a plot in ratio 11 is to 4. In ratio 11 is to 4, at the rate of Rs 100 per meter, it will cost the village Panchayat at Rs 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of plot? Dimensions of plot means we have to find the length and breadth of the plot. Suppose that this is the plot, okay, and its dimension, length and breadth is given 11 is to 4. So we consider its length will be 11x and breadth will be 4x. So we have to find the total length for fencing. First we will find the total length for fencing. So total length for fencing, it means first we will find out the perimeter of the plot. Okay, and perimeter of plot will be multiplied by 100, that equal to 75,000 according to the question. So students, let length of plot is equal to 11x, because it is given length and breadth of plot in the ratio 11 is to 4. It means we consider length is 11x and breadth of plot is equal to 4x. Now we will find out the length for fencing. Length for fencing means per meter of plot. So total length for fencing is equal to perimeter of plot. Since plot are rectangles, plot are rectangular, so perimeter of plot 2 into L plus B. This is the formula. So 2 into length we consider 11. So 11x plus 4x. We get 11 plus 4 15. So students, 2 into 15x is equal to 30x. But according to question it is given that at the rate of 100 per meter it will cost the village panchayat at Rs 75,000. So what we get total length for fencing? 30x. So according to question student, 30x multiplied by 100 is equal to total cost 75,000. So we get 3000x 100 multiplied by 30 is equal to 75,000. So x is equal to students 75,000 divided by 3000. We get 0 0 cancel and 3 25 is 75. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 25. It means we get the value of x is 25, but we have to find the dimensions of plot. So means length and breadth. So what will be the length? Therefore length is equal to 11x. So 11 and x replaced by 25 because its value is 25. So 25 is equal to 25 under 25 and 25 and 25 plus 2 275 meter. What we get? 275 meter. And breadth is equal to 4 into x replaced by 25. So is equal to 100 meters. So we get length 275 meters and breadth 100 meters. Okay. Third question students, half of a herd of deer grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. To find the number of deer in the herd. So first we will consider number of deer in the herd will x, y, z, any variable we will consider. Okay, and half of that are grazing. So student, let total number of deer in the is equal to x. So half of grazing. So number of deer grazing in the field, number of deer grazing in the field is equal to x upon 2. If x upon 2 is grazing in the field, so how many is remaining? X minus x upon 2. Remaining deer is equal to x minus x upon 2 because total number of deer is consider x and x upon 2 is grazing in the field. So remaining will be there x minus x upon 2, that is x upon 2. And here given that and 3/4 of remaining. So remaining is there x upon 2 drinking water. Okay, remaining are playing in nearby. So playing deer playing nearby is equal to student 3/4 of remaining. 3/4 of remaining is upon 2 means 3 upon 8x. Okay, the rest 9 are drinking water. Students, if total number of deers x upon 2 is playing and x upon 2 is grazing in the field and the 3 upon 8 are playing in the field. So remaining will be there x minus x upon 2 and minus 3 upon 8, x is equal to 9. So according to question, x minus x upon 2 plus 3 upon 8x is equal to 9. Understood? Now solve it. So we may write x minus x upon 2 minus multiplied in the bracket, it will be also 3 upon 8x is equal to 9. Now consider, let the LCM of 1, 2 and 8. So LCM of 1, 2 and 8 is 8. So 1 divided 8, it gives 8. 8 ones are 8. So 8x minus 2 divides 8 gives 4. So 4x minus 4x minus 3x is equal to 9 according to the question. So 8x minus 4x minus 3x, that is 8 minus 7, x upon 8 is equal to 9. So student, x is equal to, by cross multiplication we get 8 9 are 72. So total number of days 72. Thank you students. In next class we will do the revision of linear equation.